Ants are small, social insects belonging to the family Formicidae. There are over 12,000 known species of ants worldwide, with estimates suggesting there could be many more undiscovered. Ants are found in nearly every habitat on Earth, except for the polar regions, and are known for their highly structured social organization and complex behaviors. Ants have a distinct body structure divided into three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. They have elbowed antennae, which they use for sensing their environment and communicating with other ants. Most ants also have powerful mandibles, jaws, for carrying objects, defending themselves, and cutting food. Ants are typically small, ranging from 2 to 25 mm in length, though sizes vary depending on the species. They come in various colors, including black, red, brown, and yellow. Some species have wings, particularly reproductive ants, known as alates, that engage in nuptial flights to mate and establish new colonies. And colonies are structured around a caste system, with specific roles assigned to different individuals. The colony is centered around the queen, whose primary role is to reproduce. Queens can live for several years and lay thousands of eggs during their lifetime. The majority of the colony consists of female worker ants, which are sterile and responsible for tasks such as foraging for food, caring for the queen and larvae, defending the nest, and maintaining the colony's infrastructure. Soldier ants are larger workers that specialize in defense. Male ants, or drones, are produced primarily during the breeding season. Their only function is to mate with queens during nuptial flights, after which they die. Ants communicate through pheromones, chemical signals that convey messages such as food location, danger, or reproductive status. They leave pheromone trails as they travel, allowing other ants to follow and find food or return to the nest. The ability to communicate effectively through chemicals enables ants to operate as highly coordinated units, despite their small size and individual limitations. Ants are social insects, meaning they live in colonies that can range from a few dozen individuals to millions. Ant nests are highly organized structures that provide protection from predators and environmental conditions. Some ants build elaborate nests underground, while others create nests in trees, rotting wood, or even within human-made structures. The architecture of ant nests varies by species, but they generally consist of chambers for housing the queen, brood, eggs, larvae, and pupae, and food storage. Some species, like the leafcutter ants, construct enormous underground colonies with complex tunnel systems that can stretch for meters. The ant life cycle begins with mating flights, during which winged males and queens leave their colonies to mate. After mating, the males die, while fertilized queens land, shed their wings, and begin looking for a suitable place to start a new colony. The queen lays eggs, which hatch into larvae. Worker ants care for the larvae, which eventually develop into adult ants. Ants go through a complete metamorphosis, with 4 stages in their life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Queens can control the sex of their offspring, producing males or females as needed by the colony. Ants are omnivorous and have a highly diverse diet. They consume seeds, insects, honeydew, a sugary substance secreted by aphids, and even fungi in the case of leafcutter ants. Ants are known for their cooperative foraging, often sending out scouts to locate food sources and then communicating the location to other workers through pheromone trails. Some ants, like the army ants, are highly aggressive foragers and form large swarms that can overpower prey much larger than themselves. Harvester ants specialize in collecting seeds, while leafcutter ants cultivate fungus by cutting leaves and bringing them back to their nests to decompose. Ants have a variety of defense mechanisms to protect their colonies. Many species possess stingers, and some can spray formic acid to deter predators. Soldier ants have large mandibles designed for fighting off invaders. Despite these defenses, ants are preyed upon by various animals, including birds, spiders, anteaters, and other insects. Some species of ants also engage in warfare with rival ant colonies, fighting over territory and resources. Ants play a crucial role in ecosystems as decomposers, seed dispersers, and predators. They help break down organic material, aerate the soil, and contribute to nutrient cycling. Many plants rely on ants to disperse their seeds in a process known as myrmecochory. In turn, ants also help control insect populations as they prey on other arthropods and insects. Ants are both beneficial and problematic for humans. They help with pest control and soil aeration, but some species, like the fire ant and the Argentine ant, are considered invasive and harmful. Fire ants, for instance, have a painful sting and can damage crops, livestock, and infrastructure. Ants have also been the subject of scientific study due to their complex social structures and behaviors. Researchers study ants to understand cooperation, division of labor, and communication in animal societies. Ants are remarkable insects with a vast diversity of species and behaviors. Their highly organized social systems, cooperative behaviors, and ability to adapt to a wide range of environments have made them one of the most successful groups of animals on Earth. Whether as foragers, builders, or warriors, ants contribute significantly to the ecosystems they inhabit and continue to fascinate scientists and nature lovers alike.